Plants need to be repotted every 12 to 18 months to make sure they've got room to grow. And today I'm going to show you how to do this. When using potting mix, it's always a good idea to wear gloves and a dust mask. You will need to add a base layer of potting mix to your new pot like this. Always use a high quality potting mix. Next, remove the plant from its current pot. Hold your hand around the base of the plant and use the other hand to gently slide the pot away. If the roots of the plants are compressed, loosen them and this will help the plant to grow. Place the plant in the centre of the new pot and add the potting mix. Make sure you don't overfill the pot. The soil should be about 25 ml below the top of the pot. Make sure to press the potting mix down around it nice and firm and add some slow release fertilizer and you're good to go. The last step is to water the plant in its new pot so it can soak up all the nutrients. So it's as easy as that, and now all you have to do is sit back and enjoy watching your plants grow.